In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Zapier to Mailchimp and automate subscriber management. We'll link a source app to Mailchimp so new contacts flow in automatically, saving you time and preventing manual data entry. Start by logging in to your Zapier account. From the dashboard, click Create Zap, sometimes shown as Make a Zap, to open a new automation. First, set up your trigger, which is the app that will send data to Mailchimp. Choose the app that fits your workflow, such as Google Forms, Shopify, or Typeform, so Zapier knows where to listen for new activity. Next, choose the specific trigger event, like a new form response, a new order, or a new entry, and connect your account if prompted. Follow the on-screen prompts to authorize access, and select the correct form, store, or workspace, so you're pulling in data from the right place. Run a quick test on the trigger, so Zapier can fetch sample data. If nothing appears, submit a test entry in the source app and test again. Seeing real sample data here makes field mapping much easier and helps catch issues early. Now set up the action. In the action search bar, look for Mailchimp. Choose the action that matches your goal. Add or update subscriber for building your list and keeping profiles current. Send campaign to trigger a specific campaign, or add tag to subscriber if you want to segment contacts with labels. Click Connect an account to link Mailchimp. In the pop-up, sign in to your Mailchimp account and authorize Zapier to access it. This permission allows Zapier to add subscribers, send the campaign you select, or manage tags exactly as you configure. Back in Zapier, select the audience, also called the list, that should receive the data. Double-check you're targeting the correct audience to avoid duplicates across multiple lists. Now map your fields carefully. Match email to email, first name to F name, last name to L name, and any labels to tags. Use the drop-downs to insert values from your trigger sample. Remember, email is required in Mailchimp, and tags are a powerful way to organize segments for future campaigns. Click Test, and continue to verify everything works end-to-end. Zapier will push a test to Mailchimp and confirm success. If anything looks off, adjust your field mapping and retest until the record appears exactly as you expect. When you're satisfied, click Turn on Zap to make the automation live. Give it a clear name and watch the Zap history during the first few runs to confirm records are flowing as expected. That's it. Your hands-free Mailchimp workflow is ready to go.